Hi guys! Happy New Year! Welcome back to Glitter and Nom Nom. I'm Annette if you are new here, and welcome to my channel. I thought I'd do something super fun for the next couple Mani Mondays and mix it up a little bit instead of just doing my regular old nail art. So one of the things that my awesome mother got me for Christmas was this Quo by ORLY nail advent calendar, and it's got 12 days on it. Obviously I got this for Christmas, it's after Christmas. So what I thought I'd do is for the next 12 Mani Mondays or so, maybe some days I can cram 2 days into one. I'm gonna open a day on this box, and then whatever is inside we will do some nail art with, come up with something cool, and if it's a nail treatment or accessory, then we will do a tutorial or walkthrough on how to properly utilize whatever the tool or nail product is. It'll be a fun surprise slash nail art slash instructional slash educational slash. Long story short, it should be good. So we are going to start today's off by opening day number 1. These things are always so difficult. Okay, day number 1. So we've got a nail polish. It is called Stronger Than Ever. Okay, so these polishes are a treatment and color. So it's probably just a nail strengthening formula. Base, treatment, color, all in one base coat, color, and top coat. So you don't need base or top coat for these. If you can see that right, is a very beautiful deep pink, and it's got gold flecks in it. I don't know if you can see how pretty that is. So I have some gel on my nails already, so I'm going to definitely mix it up today, and we are going to do our toes. So it says we don't have to use a base coat, so I'm just going to go right in with the color. Oh my god, I love this color. Coat number 2. I'm laying it on a little thick because I'm going to embed some glitter. So now I'm going to go in with this incredibly sparkly gold and pink glitter. I brought a bunch with me because I didn't know what color this was going to be, and I think I'm going to go with this one.